Today we talk about how can you disable reminders on your LingoDeer app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go, you go down, just click here on me down here. You just click here on me. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, so you just you go down here, then you click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on reminders here, then you come to next step here. So then you come here to reminders. Just click in this sign of this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here reminders disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.